Friday without some Bollywood, without some glam quotient on the show, which is why we have Bollywood actor Kunal Kapoor, the man who wowed you in movies like Rang De Basanti, but he's not talking Bollywood today. He's talking about his venture Keto, which is a crowdfunding platform. Rahul Dama caught up with him to really ask him about, what's driving Keto and Kunal Kapoor's plans going forward in the startup universe. Let's listen in.
So the dream really was to build a bridge between people that have capital and can help and people that need capital and need helping. There was no better way of doing that than technology, because we spend so much time on our smartphones and on our computers. I felt like it was important to create a platform which was very easy to use, very engaging, and you could be sitting anywhere in the world and you could take 2 minutes off and help somebody somewhere in the world.
Was it a personal experience that you had or someone around you that really encouraged you to consider this sort of a foray?
No, it was a personal experience, of course. Like I said, I was working with these NGOs for a couple of years. It was something that I was thinking about for a long time. And fortunately for me, I happened to meet Varun Sheth, who's the co-founder of Keto. And he's somebody that had worked in the social space as well and grappled with the same problems and issues. And we got chatting and we realized that, we wanted to do exactly the same thing. So, yeah, it came out of a strong personal experience.
Also, you're very choosy when it comes to movies. And I believe now you want to invest in startups as well.
Yeah, sure.
So what would be your top 2-3 criteria, and which sector startups are you looking at to invest in?
Well, it's not sector specific, but the few investments that I'm looking at, for me, what's really important is that you don't get carried away in this whole valuation game, because then it becomes like a lottery ticket. This company is going to grow 10x, let's invest in it. I think for me, what is really important is somebody that has a solid business model and somebody that wants to build a business that is going to last for a long time. I think that is really important.
What's closer to your heart?
Man.
Movies, startups, and now with you looking at investing in, how are you really going to juggle time? I know you work in select movies,
right,
and startups also you're going to be pretty selective.
Well, I think, really, like I was saying, is that, when you're driven, when you're passionate about something, there's always time. There's never a lack of time when you're passionate, because then it doesn't feel like an effort at all. It's very difficult to choose between the two. I mean, both of them are completely different and I enjoy both of them. But the core of both of them are very similar, which is that they're both very creative. People often think that a startup is something that is just a business. I think it's something that's very creative, because you're looking at disrupting something. You have to be really creative to do that. So for me, I'm a creative person at the core of it, so I enjoy anything that is creative.
Lastly, serious question, fundraising plans that you have for Keto,
right,
how well capitalized are you? I'm sure you're looking for fundraising.
Right,
how
yeah,
much would you look at? And also plans on international forays.
Well, we've, in fact, in the last year, we've had 2 offers to buy us out and buy in from international crowdfunding platforms as well. But we've refused to go that route. Because in fact one of the platforms also invited us to the States to come and see what they were doing. So that we'd know each other before we could sort of work with each other, and we realized that we were doing pretty much everything that they were doing in terms of technology, in terms of what we were attempting to do. So we didn't really need anybody to buy us out or buy in. What we are looking obviously is to raise money, and we are going to do that this year.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.